Congratulations! You've been scammed. No, seriously, every single day, you're silently draining your bank account, and here's the worst part. You don't even know you're doing it. Basically, what I'm saying is that you are the smoothest con artist in your own life. Spending money on stupid things you don't need, paying for subscriptions you forgot about, and getting finessed by grocery stores, banks, and car salesmen who make you think you're getting a deal when you're actually getting robbed. Today, I'm about to put an end to that. When you finish watching this video, you'll have 9 ingenious money hacks that'll make you wealthier, smarter, and probably 12% sexier. Now, I know what you're thinking. Here comes another skip the Starbucks video. But what you're about to see is not like the rest. These are underground wealth-building secrets that rich people use to keep stacking cash while the rest of us wonder why we're still broke. And once you learn them, trust me, you'll never go back. Because what I'm about to share with you is exactly how to stop your money from escaping like it's in a prison break. So without wasting any time at all, let's get into it. Hack number 9, the 24-hour rule, aka the "do I actually need this" test. Although what I'm saying might seem like a no-brainer, it's not as easy as most people make it out to be. It requires a little thing called discipline, which some of you watching this have no clue about. Remember this golden piece of advice: impulse spending is the fastest way to stay broke. You see a fancy gadget, trendy shoes, or whatever TikTok is selling these days, and boom, suddenly you're eating ramen noodles until payday. The good news is that I have a simple solution for you. Here's what I want you to do. Before buying anything over $50, wait 24 hours. That new pair of Jordans, ask yourself, do I really need these, or do I just want to feel something? So why does it work? It goes like this. 99% of the time, the urge to buy disappears. And then the other 1% of the time, you actually need it. So you buy it guilt-free. Just try this for 1 month. I guarantee you'll save hundreds, if not thousands, and you'll end up thanking me later. But if you thought that was clever, listen carefully. I've got 8 more money hacks, and this next one will likely be the most important decision you'll have to make. Subscribe and give this video a like to help spread the word. Hack number 8, the invisible savings trick, aka hiding money from yourself. Now this one requires a little patience, but once you master the concept, it'll basically run on autopilot and you'll have more money in your account without even noticing it. Here's how it works. Set up an automatic transfer that moves money from your main account into a secret savings account every time you get paid. Don't connect this account to your main banking app. Forget it even exists. Now, when you check your balance, you only see what's left to spend. Meanwhile, your hidden savings are stacking up like magic. Here's a crazy story. My friend used this hack and forgot about her savings account for 2 years. One day, she randomly checks it, and much to her surprise, there was $14,000 she didn't even know she had. Would you miss $50 to $100 from your paycheck if it quietly disappeared into your future? Probably not. But in a year, that's an all-inclusive vacation. Hack number 7, the reverse budget. How the wealthy manage money. I'll discuss this topic briefly because I've already talked about it in previous videos. And honestly, it really is a sad but honest truth. Most people budget backwards. And what I mean by that is, you have your priorities all over the place and no idea where the heck your money is going every month. Tell me if this sounds familiar. First, get paid. Then pay bills. Then spend whatever's left, and lastly, feel broke by the 20th of the month. Rich people, they flip the script. 1, pay themselves first. 2, then handle the bills. And 3, spend only what's left. This is called reverse budget, and it forces you to prioritize growing your money before spending it. Because let's be real, if you want to save, you never will. And you'll be right back here watching this video all over again. Money hack number 6, the grocery store Jedi mind trick. I've said this more times than I can count, but I'll say it again. Supermarkets are designed to make you spend more. Why do you think inflation keeps going up every year? There's a reason why the expensive junk food is in the middle aisles. It's not done by accident, that's on purpose. Walmart and Kroger are almost as corrupt as casinos, getting you to spend money on crap you don't need. Don't fall for this trick. Here's how to outsmart them. Stick to the perimeter first. That's where the fresh, affordable stuff is. Veggies, meat, dairy, and so on. Then go to the middle for what you actually need. Just by doing this, you'll spend less and eat healthier. Don't let the grocery store hustle you. All that junk is going right towards your gut, and you wonder why that dad bod is starting to creep in. Money hack number 5, the I deserve it trap. How emotional spending keeps you broke. Ever spent money because, well, I worked hard, I deserve this? That's called emotional spending, and it's a trap. Instead, reward yourself with something that builds wealth, not drains it. Instead of saying things like, I deserve a $300 dinner, try, I deserve to put $300 into an investment that will make me more money. Rich people don't buy happiness, they buy freedom. That's a topic I'll discuss in the next video. Money hack number 4, the rich people shopping list. The problem with most people is this. Every time they walk into a grocery store, they end up leaving with more than what they intended to buy, and that's not by accident. I want you to understand something clearly. Rich people don't shop without a list, and neither should you. Because if you walk into a store without a list, you're basically saying, take my money, I have no self-control. Here's what I want you to do. Before shopping, always write down what you need. Stick to the list like it's a treasure map. Just by doing this one thing, you'll spend way less, buy smarter, and avoid impulse regrets. Like that tub of ice cream you'll end up paying for at the gym later. Money hack number 3, the subscription audit. This is a mistake I used to make, and I urge you not to make it as well. This is what I want you to do. Check your bank statements right now. I guarantee you're paying for subscriptions you forgot about. The moment I did this, I still remember the day I asked myself, why am I still paying for a gym I haven't visited since 2021? It's crazy to think about. Go through your bank transactions, cancel every subscription you don't actually use. These little $10 and $15 charges, they add up fast. Don't take these small charges for granted. Money hack number 2, the buy in bulk trick. This is golden advice I want you to remember for the rest of your life. If you need toothpaste, deodorant, shampoo, buy in bulk. Buying small is equal to paying more over time. Buying in bulk saves hundreds per year. Rich people don't pay retail prices. They buy smarter. You should do the same. If you have any questions about this, let me know in the comments so I know what to make our next video about. Money hack number 1, the rich people avoid debt like the plague rule. Listen to me closely. Rich people don't finance dumb stuff. No financing cars, no financing furniture, no financing vacations. They buy with cash, invest the difference, and let money work for them. If you have high interest debt, pay it off ASAP, because debt is equal to chains that keep you stuck. Now, since you've made it this far, pay attention because I'm about to drop a bonus hack so sneaky, so passive, and so wildly effective that once you start using it, you'll feel like you've discovered a cheat code for life. That's what I like to call the set it and forget it income trick. Sounds simple, right? That's because it is. But don't let that fool you. This is how the rich quietly get richer while everyone else is sweating over side hustles. Here's how it works. Step 1, find a way to make money that doesn't need you to babysit it. Stocks that pay you dividends, rental properties where other people pay off your mortgage, a digital product like an ebook or course that sells while you sleep, a YouTube channel that earns ad revenue long after you hit upload. Step 2, automate the entire process. Set up automatic reinvestment. Use tools that handle the work for you. Create something once that keeps you making money forever. Step 3, forget about it. No stressing, no micromanaging, no checking every 5 minutes. Just stack cash in the background while you live your life. And this is just hilarious to me because while most people are grinding away, chasing every dollar, you're over here making money on autopilot without even lifting a finger. Your friends are like, bro, I just worked 12 hours. I'm exhausted. And then you respond like, wow, that's crazy. I made $300 while taking a nap. And that's not even the best part. People will have no idea how you're making money. They'll think you're just lucky or that you have a secret side gig. Meanwhile, your investments, digital products, and passive income streams are working harder than you ever could. So while everyone else is hustling for dollars, you're out here letting your money do the hustling for you. And that's how you silently build wealth like a financial ninja. Now, are you going to set this up, or are you going to keep grinding and wondering why your bank account looks like a bad joke? These 9 money hacks will make you smarter, richer, and in control of your money. Apply these and you'll be ahead of 99% of people. Just pick one today and start using it. In fact, money hacks are only the start to your financial freedom journey. There are actually 14 money mistakes rich people always avoid, where we explain every single one of them in this next video. Check it out and we'll see you in the next one.